have some breaking inputs coming in. Big breaking story here on Times Now. Violence against ECI officials. Supreme Court show cause notice to state DGP in the case. 5 days after Mamata Banerjee appeared in the Supreme Court in the top court, the CJI bench has now sought personal affidavit of the West Bengal DGP, has issued a show cause notice to the DGP to respond to the affidavit of Election Commission of India regarding threats and violence against officials engaged in SIR duties. This after submissions were made by the Solicitor General, who drew attention of the court to the Election Commission of India's affidavit, which accused Mamata Banerjee of provocative speeches, fear-mongering, misleading information, and said, unlike other states, too much intimidation, obstruction, atmosphere of fear in the state of West Bengal. Remember, earlier we also told you one of the observations as far as SIR is concerned was that the court will not allow any impediment as far as the SIR exercise is concerned. Now this is the other big breaking input coming in. Tremors over Bengal SIR. Let me go across to Harish, our legal editor, joining us on the broadcast with more details. After the Solicitor General drew court's attention to the ECI affidavit talking about violence and threats and fear-mongering as far as the ECI officials are concerned, Supreme Court has issued a show cause notice to the DGP. Harish?
Yes, that's right, Swati. A big development as far as the West Bengal SIR is concerned. Remember, this comes 5 days after Mamata Banerjee had appeared in the Supreme Court and had poured out her heart before the Chief Justice Court, saying that we want justice. West Bengal is being targeted, and I am here not as a party chief, but I have raised a cause. But today, the Supreme Court found prima facie merit in the argument of the Election Commission of India and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for the Union of India and drew the attention to the sporadic violence, incidents of violence in the state of West Bengal, especially against the BLOs, especially in Panchayat Bhavans, where they go for attending the hearings of the SIR. And also, remember, there was another affidavit, Swati, in which the Election Commission of India had accused the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself of making provocative speeches and fear-mongering in press conferences, and also misleading the public in West Bengal as far as the SIR process is concerned. And also, the West Bengal police was not lodging FIRs when BLOs complained of violence. And in fact, another affidavit filed by the Election Commission of India said that crores of Form 7, which is for the people to fill forms for deletion or inclusion in the electoral rolls, those forms were being burnt. And also there was violence against the BLOs. After taking cognizance of these two affidavits filed by the Election Commission of India, the Chief Justice, Justice Suryakant's bench, has today issued notice to the state DGP seeking an explanation.
All right, Harish, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. We're moving